You don't compromise on speed. You expect the best performance. We know what it takes to be at the forefront of engineering. Introducing the Neo800 Plus, the ultimate large-scale stereolithography printer. Built on the legacy of the Neo800, we are unparalleled in both speed and our famed reliability. The Neo800 Plus features a 4-watt laser, future-proof performance, and up to 50% faster build time speeds for higher throughput. And best-in-class reliability and part quality. This is the printer designed by engineers for engineers. With unmatched printer quality and rigorously tested durability, because we know that time is of the essence. Like you, we are relentless in our pursuit of excellence. So we have tailor-made our software and materials to maximise the results from your printer. And for a guaranteed return on investment, this combination of reliability and speed is peerless, because the results you need, an accurate injection mould-like finish at large scale, are produced in half the time. From CAD to final part, from production line to finish line, from our labs to your hands, we have created the printer tomorrow demands. The Neo800 Plus, the new benchmark for high-speed, large-format stereolithography.